Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Now you need to get this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner of it. Now select bottom right one, click on Settings at the top and tap on I accept in First Things First pop-up. Then manage all of those options however you wish to. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and tap on the best option for you, in my case home screen only. Lastly, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. So when I do that, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!